Ndakashanda na madedido.
Shout out to Madedido.
Then KSG done fit na Mr. Oi.
Okay. KSG, you mean this KSG? Are you doing it for the love of money or you just love doing it?
For both.
For both. You want money as well?
Yes.
As much as fame.
Nindu so.
100%.
It's just the confidence. Because the relationship is between the bas. Saka shekunyengana ndizozivangu. I can say my dad is supporting me, but the first question I got per first video ndakabuda ndakanzi uri kubhadharwa here. No. Ndakamba mazvo afana umba mari yake musi.
You're patapura. Maria is attention, yaiswa. Everything yaiswa. What are you bringing?
I bring a pretty face to the table.
And you also don't want to tempt forward without Dana no one Dana ever picture.
No.
You can't not German or good. Hello guys, how are you? Yes, zita rangu ndinonzi Sekuru G kana kuti Sekuru Gudo. Yes, today kusangana pano pa Sekuru Gudo Pikicha podcast. Yes, munoza kuti ndo patinokupai udobi nemutakunanzva. Yes, chikonzerera ma celebrities especially takatarisana nenyika ye South Africa. Tiri to province ye Western Capetown. Anyway, today in the building ndine mwana ari kupisa zvamanje mukapa, and I am going to switch to the camera mumuone over ataura zita rake. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you
Sandra.
What do you say? Ngoti muzukuru waSeko. Vanhu vese vanodhira navo vazukuru ava, saka tangonzwa wedhe kuti muzukuru more often in this podcast. Yes, of course, zita rake anonzi Sandie, but ndinowanzoparira inini kumudedza ndichiti mwana wamhopo kana kuti wamhopela. Handiziva kuti ana mhopo ane mbiri iyi, ndimi muchatondiudza kucomment section kuti zvakamira sei. But you can see the smile. Ndo chinhu chandinyanyofarira hangu pamwana uyu, haana kuomera when it comes to smiling to people. Not as the moon are welcome and the moon are friendly. Anyway, today I have a couple of questions that I'm going to be asking her, and also shout out to Isusu Tite get to know her much. Shout out to wo munzwisise nekuziva kuti anoita nezvei ende mungade here kunge muchishanda naye pama projects enyu. Yes, of course. So tichaita kuti muzive zvakawanda pamusoro pechimhandara chinonzi Sandie. Zviri sei Sandie? Ndida wangotsamwa somasi.
Ndambotsamwa nzekuru.
Ndiyo face yako bai. Ndiyo face yako bai.
Face yebasi.
Unogara uchismile wani.
Aiwa.
Unogara uchingosmile. Saka parisei padeni?
Padeni paripo, minoti pana parisei.
Zvese.
Yeah.
Takamboita chipodcast chedu chimwe chatakamboita so chikaramba kubuda. Chiringonyekinherera. Yakaramba kubuda guys. But nhasi tazonyatso let us come with the setup with the professional. Zvinyatsoita sei? Zvinyatsotyisa. So, in the building today, Tina Sandie. But I'm trying to give a couple of questions. Tichada kuti muite get to know her much better. I think today she's going to reveal a lot about herself. So first of all, ndakubvunza kuti zita rako rekuzvarwa nonza
Sandra Appreciate Kagoro.
Wakazvarwa gore ripi?
Havana zviziva izvozvo. Kuma 2000 ikoko.
Sokotongotori kuma-2K. Uri ama-2K.
Yeah.
Ama-2K akatonyanya. Ama-2K handidi zvakutaura zvakawanda. Ndezvema-2K. Anenge atori muchiki zvekutodaro. So, iwewe zvamai manje muCapetown kupisa as a fashion model and also as a video vixen. Chii chakaita kuti iwewe kutange kuita zvinezvi?
I just found it interesting. Kuti vanhu vandizive.
Okay. Are you doing it for the love of money or you just love doing it?
For both.
For both. You want money as well?
Yes.
As much as fame. I don't know. But I think it's a good thing, you know, kuhasila other than tinozoona zvakuti vana mageto youth kunongosanzochichikuitika. Sakani kana munhu ine a certain profession yaunofungidza kuti you can do better or you can earn a living now. I think it is a good thing to jump into it. Then womboona zvakamira sei. So the other question I'm trying to put the day, where did you grow up?
I grew up in South Africa.
In South Africa? Saka toti uri musatswa ndori mumboku toti.
Ndiri muZimbabwe.
You are still in Zimbabwe?
I'm still
Zimbabwe. Are you proud of being in Zimbabwe?
Yes, I'm proud.
So much sure.
Yebo.
Okay. Saka when did you start this career?
I started this year, a few months ago.
Okay. But you have to pizza zvekudaro kamasitiri. Vanhu vanocheka newe. Zvekumbotamba. Okay, the other question is, zvakamira sei so far uchizvitanga since you started a few months ago? Vanhu vari kuti kudiwo nazvo?
So far, people, they are liking it, and but then it was not that professional before. But now I think we're gonna be getting to another level.
You're taking it to a more professional level.
Yeah,
that is interesting. Chii chauri kuona in the near future when it comes to this profession yawakasarudza?
I see a lot of challenges coming though.
Not money.
And money. And money. Both.
Because pakaipa. Another question as well is, do you have like a manager, somebody who is helping you to do this thing?
Yes, I do have a manager.
Okay. Would you like to review his name?
Anonzi Easy.
Anonzi Easy. Okay. Ndiye here wangu kuona.
Kupyo.
Mwana tai. Kwenini ndiri profit kai. Ndinoona kuona zvinhu zviri kana kurede. Asi zviri padhuze. Okay. So let's move on. I have a couple of questions for you to take. So, how has been your family supporting you when it comes to or this type of profession? Is your dad supporting you? Is your mom supporting you? What are other siblings saying about this profession?
I can say my dad is supporting me, but the first question I got, first video, ndakanzi uri kubhadharwa here.
Okay. Yeah. Because people want to see you uchiita changes in your life. They want to see now, which is good. I think that was a very good question. After being asked to do that,
I didn't answer the message.
Did you get paid?
No, I didn't. The first video.
Okay.
No.
Why you didn't get paid on the first video?
Because I think it's because I was still upcoming black and it was my first video. So okay. I don't I was not
were you like expecting also to get paid?
No.
You were not?
No.
Okay. Which is good. I think everyone go through that phase where you people they want, they want to pay more or a reputation in the industry. So I think it was good also that you got exposed and now one experience, and now even ugada payment you get paid. So I gotta say, you didn't get paid. What was the reaction from your parents? Or?
It was like, as long as I'm happy with that, with what I'm doing. And he said he's proud of me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which is good. It's good to have one who support our chakadaro. Because ukashaya munhu anokusapota patime yaunongoida kustarta kuita something, then zvinhu zvese zvinozvatoita bhingirishi zvoenda musango. Okay. So I wanted to ask also, do you have like siblings? Do you have my sisters and my brothers?
Yes, I do.
How many do you have?
3.
And your number?
Last born.
My last born is an Muskana. I don't know. Okay, which is good. So being a last born, I think you are not going to what to support in the family when you choose to take a certain route.
Yeah.
So I think you are going to get support yakati one day. The other question that I have for you is kuchita basa rako iri hausati wambosangana here nechallenge yekuti vanhu vanongoshanda nawo vanotanga kuda kukunyenga or to propose to you?
So far, no.
Why?
Because the relationship is between ndezvebasa. Saka zvekunyengana ndizoziva hangu.
Baby rakatopenga kupora baby rako unazoneka uri celeb unokochipisa ukapapati iwa usati wambotempwawo here zvekuda kudananawo nemunhu wako danaye papidyo?
No.
Uchinyatsona kuti jamani vari kurira
Aiwa.
saka majamani amabhira munasiki kana musati mana kuti vane mabhibhi amunobuda nawo pamabhidhios, because a lot of people vane this narrative yekuti kana munhu akabuda pamamusic videos evanhu ihure, that person is blah 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 blah. Hausati wambosangana here kuchidedzwawo mazita nevanhu because of that profession yawakachoose?
And sad.
Okay, which means your record is clean. But zvichiwa zvandataura izvozvo apa watinyepera zvokuti hausati wamboita munhu wakamboti ndezvei kuita sei. Pakaipa. So anyway, moving on. Tina amwe remaproject atakatarisana nawo auri kuita anytime soon?
So far ansandaziva. Vanenge vachida kuzoziva more vanongobvunza manager ndiani achiziva zvese.
Anenge aine idea yesekupa sei.
Yeah.
Which is good. Anyway guys, tichazoita kuti ndikupei nhamba dzamanager anditi kuti zvityise kuti monge muchishanda naSandie, because you know these days kana ukasamonetize a profession, kana ukasalook up professional as well, zvinhu hazvizoite sei, zvinhu hazvizonakidze and vanhu havazokutore serious. So I think Sandie made a wise decision kuti ange aina manager. So we are going to move very quickly in this one because we want to make it short and precise. Then mama podcast atichazoita kumashoro kaateta kutandara Sandie une mamuzi. And I think Sandie acharamba achiuya panapa because toza ndiye ane .com rese kuti mastreets muchii chinenge chichiitika. Because ndo kama 2K acho ndo vanenge vachiziva zvese. Sandie, I wanted to ask a question. Kuti do you are you a religious person?
Yes, I am.
Which one is yours? Buddhism, Christianity, Iran, Manchusu, whose side?
I'm Christian.
Yeah, Christian. I'm not a Manchusu. I'm a trader because Manchusu. I'm a Manchusu.
No.
You are not a Manchusu. But you are not. What's your take on Manchusu?
I fear those things.
Yeah, but that's his name. I want to a big guy over town. And all the Manchusu. I also don't want to
Inside Nambojinson.
Okay. So I think you made a wise decision. Because I think I'm going in like to watch because Manchusu. I don't think it is good for any good. I don't know, guys. You tell me in the comment section. But you want to be neskiri kuti Manchusu, blah blah blah. What zvakazodaro. Anyway, moving on, I have a lot of questions for Sandie. about his religious perspective. Do you have a church you want to enter? Or akamira sei baba?
Ndinayo church yandoenda.
Inonzi
Christ Embassy.
Okay, ndo yana Pastor Chris. Okay. Mwari wechisalad. The other question is, what's your take on when it comes to the culture in a religion? Culture like mararamiro edu sevanhu vatema kubva kudhara and all that stuff. What's your take on that?
I wouldn't say I have a take on that. But
culture yakaipa here, yakanaka here.
But it's just like, you just believe or you just believe. If you don't, then you don't. Okay,
which is cool. Okay, moving on. My questions: does your family support you? What do your parents say? And all that stuff. I forgot to ask you, do you have a boyfriend?
Really?
Let's talk about your love life. Let's talk about the love life.
Yes, I do have a boyfriend.
Okay. Boyfriend yako iri kuti basa rako because ndapotaura baba ndikati nemienzo kuti umwe German anogona kuti ndanakirwa nemembrace mukuita sei after shoot. Vari kuti kudii?
Vanenge varipo kapa vanenge chitora mavidhiyo acho
achimeka
sure kuti
hapana pakatoipa pane basa nokudoko kana muchinge mazoda kuti Sandie ave kuvidhiyo yenyu mune mamwe ma-intentions asiri ebasa aiwa kuti zvakatoita sei zvakatoenda hati zvakaendwa nemageto youth. Okay, tripa love life yako ipapapo yanengo yakadi relationship or current relationship?
Very long.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it a long distance or?
No, it's a long time relationship.
It's a long time. It's a long journey. Okay. Iwo chakaita kuti upinde into this relationship and also in general chicha unotarisira in my relationships chinoita kuti ude kupinda murelationship kana kuti unoti let me try it with this person.
Firstly, chaita ndipinde murelationship, I liked the guy.
Okay.
So I think he also liked me too. God, I'm not akazongoona kuti my actions andaitere kana kuti chi. Yeah. So then we were in a relationship.
Okay.
But then why I'm in the relationship, it's mostly for the care, attention, and love that I get from it.
Not for the money.
Inozongodiwa mari.
So I wanted to ask you another question. Actually, in the first place, are you into guys or you are into girls? Because mazwano pane gender iri yanzi inequality, gender equality. Hey, pakamira sei?
I'm into guys.
I was into
no.
What's one of my baby? I put up my picture. I got kiss and kiss. Okay, Tiri Papo. I wanted to ask you, do you get in on the your girlfriend allowance?
Yes, I do get girlfriend.
The kupera mwezi ukubane chimwe chimari kugonzwe ayo batane baba. Mina ante kumentena ere ndeche ati toyadziye. Going to come names them ladies, but I have to go to girlfriend allowance. Second up, don't we put and the money. How much are you getting as girlfriend allowance from your man?
Do you know what I mean?
You know, all right. Saka, all right. Tiri papa, I don't know. So, wouldn't be so on anohura mari nditi angakupe mari let's say anohura 3.5 angakupe mari pa 3.5 yepay ngotaura vanhu vada ku
achitambira 3.5 inananipa mari iyoyo 1000
how is he going to pay my rent out? Can I go at 1,000?
You make a plan.
Half of the money.
You make a plan.
And also another question is, do you give your man money or you're just taking?
Ndakamba mazvafanira umba mari yake mos.
Kutorera mara shako hake. Okay. Saka it means Muskana has kutomboita izvozvo. Haasi kutorera mara shako hake. In the Muskana one maybe I was kutomboita. But you need to know, guys, sometimes guys, need to run my problem that you face out to finish at home, and you'll be expecting your girlfriend to help you. Then Muskana kukupa mari kuti sera marashapo. I don't know, guys, what do you think?
It's not that if he needs help ndinayo mari ndompa.
Saka kuti
but the fact that ndongompa mari out of nowhere kumpa mari yake mos.
Okay. That's not out of nowhere.
No, it's different between me and him. Okay. I can ask kuti ndikuda mari yakati just pamwe yekuri kwamusoro. Iye anondida mari.
Okay. So after white what they say white. I have another question here. What do you bring to the table? You patapura. Attention, everything. What are you bringing to the table?
I bring a pretty face to the table.
What?
A pretty face.
In a pretty face, I'm town, guys. And I don't think she would have taken a pretty face. Chandeni chitoda something watching ezvinhu zvangosiyana maybe hakuzotaurika but mungonzerwa pretty face patemple. I don't know kuti munoidya here pretty face. What are you going to do with the pretty face, guys? I don't know. Matugesha autoni. Also, do you date guys without cars? Nkomana asina motikari unokwanisa here kumudate? For real? Saka mveswa wani motera pakamira sei
anayo
wazvaona uri kunyepa kutonyepa ipapo toenda kutoziva kutoti mveswa ane motikari but wauda kunyepa uda kupfuurira vamwe vanhu vafambe netsoka vachienda vabata nemasikuruku vachienda kunoti unoona alright. Have you ever been cheated before? And also, have you ever cheated somebody?
With my current boyfriend here.
Maybe don't think it ever. Kana usikatye bro. Wakambomchita here. Uya wakambochitwa here.
Andina. No.
Okay. Kaite siya akada. Azini mteguro yomuzukuru ndoto yaini. Saka uruti asata hambo kuchita.
Pangu bana ndambozvibata.
Okay. Ndizotaura hangu because I promised a black label. But kanonoka kuya mchata. All right, going on to another question is what do you do? How do you feel kana ukachitwa?
Ndomukwadza.
And also, how do you feel if somebody cheats you?
I feel heartbroken since unongochida munhu.
Okay.
Yeah.
But then I believe kuti hapana chinhu kuchita.
I believe there is. There is kuchita.
But what do you believe kuti munhu anofana kuita one girlfriend?
Kana data 2 kana 3 anondiudza kuti pane akadai. Of my choice.
Don't go on without dancing. Chimbosia one song. You don't phone mark to go out. You feel like saying, you go play one song. Can you do that?
I can.
One song. Alright, moving on. Have you ever paid for an outing? Let's say we're in a face out. This one, that's in the bad. That's a very bad. Paramira say, Papa, Wambo separates on face. One joke go tingy, what you do, you go tingy, what you think of you. Uno see Muka, Obutamoro, no Gosano, Motka.
No, so more than no Garamotka.
I'm not too gay. I don't know that cheap. Look at that. Enter into a relationship with amateur gay at your own cost. I don't know. You have to be prepared for this. Pretty faces to become as one. Plus, remember, I want you to bring a pretty face to the table. Nothing else. Chandina say, so this is Sandie, guys. In case Sandie is a video vixen and a fashion model who is currently based in Capetown. Manje. My videos. Okay. Yes, of course, made through a manager. And easy. I'm going to ask Sandie to mention the number. Your manager wake. Also the chance to sign in the comment section. You track with he said motion and Sandie mobile some visuals manyama visuals are on my visuals and ari kuseri. Anyway, moving on, I think taura kuti chinopeta chirongwa chedu the love tataura religion taita sei tataura zvebasa taura here and there kabata because our main goal today was for you guys to know Sandie up close and personal, and I'm sure that by now man more info about this beautiful queen. I wanted to ask you also panyaya the drug awareness and drug abuse. What's your take panyaya kutorwa kuti ma drugs national darker
it's bad because when Wacho try my drugs, then they use it in a bad way. Of which is creating a bad impact on some of us.
Okay. Saka, what advice can you give to these young people, or to be specific to young women?
For young women, I'll just say, just be yourself.
Very fast. Advice. Okay.
Do what you feel is right.
But also to make sure that you are aware of the consequences. It's not dark. It's not dark. It's not sangansira. Drugs are sangansira. Cocaine, Christ meth, meno antibuka, kanando ire, and this year to one day so guys, you need to try to stay away from them as much as you can. When you take them, make sure that you are responsible for the consequences that follows after. Anyway, last question. Do you take drugs?
No.
You don't. So, 100% sober, or what would happen?
Not sober.
100%.
It's just the confidence.
With your confidence, you can do it. With your confidence, you can do it. So, guys, this is the very wise advice from Sandie, who was on our platform today. Chikurukura naye tichibvunza background yake kuti akambotanga sei zvakambobva kupi uye basa rake riseire kubuda as a video vixen kana kuti as a fashion model. So tisati taenda kuti tiudze vanhu nezvemaplatforms ako paunowanika social media and api mazwi ako ekupesira oro zvaungangoda kutaurirawo kune vakateerera kana kuti vakatarisa.
I would just like to say you should just follow, like, even per broadcast, subscribe food. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Ko vanhu vangadawo kupindawo mu this profession yavakasarudza ungavaudze kuti kudii?
That mufanira confidence chet.
It's all about confidence, guys. It's all about confidence. No drugs, no what. Just the love. For the love of the work, you will be good to go. Anyway, we are going to switch to a couple of videos. I think I'm just going to play 2 videos where Sandie Parambudikira on those videos, so you get to understand kuti Sandie Mushandana. But before Sandie switch kuenda kudati ningi, can you tell vanhu vakashanda nawo kuti wakamushanda nama artist api?
Ndakashanda na Madedido.
Shout out to Madedido.
Then KSG did done fit na Mr. Oi.
Okay. KSG, you mean this KSG arunetsa madano?
Wacho.
Okay. Shout out to KSG na Mr. Oi. Yes, I remember on that video. Of course I did that video. What I did, I took a snippet of what was going on that video. So guys, you just saw the girl there at Babla. She was smiling and saying, ever since I was born. I don't know, guys. If you don't want this smile on your video, I'm not doing something to say. I don't even know what you are trying to do, because this girl is the best candidate for the job when it comes to Nyaya, Zema video vixens and the models. I think I'm going also to check on another production Yamaka Itazakare. Okay, so that is the other video in Amadedido and with Sandie also. She appeared there on the video. Let me quickly check where she was. There she is. Very military. Papa kaipa. Mama kapeka research. What was going on? So guys, I just showed you a couple of videos akaitwa na Sandie where she appeared, because vana Madedido and KSG ndo vanhu vacho vari kupisa in the industry manje and kana usiri kutofollowa vanhu vanhu kuzama kuita sei. So anyway, lastly tauda kupeta chirongwa chedu apo takachita podcast interview panapa tina Sandie, of course, who is a model, a fashion model and a video vixen who is currently based in Capetown. So guys, tukuti kana iwo uchida kushanda na Sandie, yes, wakasununguka. So the last thing chatauda kuti tiite, tauda kuti tichikuratidzai kuti Sandie anowanika papi pa social media. So we have, first of all, can you tell us kuti pa TikTok uri kuwanika panonzi pachi?
Sandrampof at 8.
Okay.
Pa TikTok.
Sandrampof at
8.
Pa TikTok. I think you can see all the first hapo side pake upo jitika mukuzviona hapo pa screen up. Then Pazaspatcho tine Instagram unongochinza
Certified AK. You can see as well Pazaspatcho. Then pepesera hapo Facebook. Unonzana pa Facebook. Sandra appreciate Kakoro.
Okay. So guys, tukuti isusu endai muno support Sandra, go and follow her across all her social media platforms kuti zvityise kuti zviende kumberi. These are our own celebrities who are based in South Africa, to be specific in Cape Town. podcast nei podcast yevanhu zvinhu zvacho zvatotanga kana usina kumbobuda papodcast nei hamundi kuita nezve I don't know ende kuda kumbozama munenge muchimbozhama kuda kuita okay guys, so ndo patinowana Sandra pamaplatforms ari apapo. Vanoda also kubata Sandra, Sandra unogona kutipa here number dzamanager wako tiripa tichibata ngopedza.
Sure.
Can you spell my numbers out?
082 864 9114.
Okay, can you come again?
082 864 9114.
For the last time? Slowly this time.
082 864 9114.
Okay. That's cool. So vanda kubata Sandie aisi kana mukamushaya apa even mukambata apa mukaminbox apa maplatforms apa anobva kupai number dzamanager wake, then you get to talk to the manager. Maworks otoita sei, otorohwa zvinhu zvotoenda sei, zvinhu zvazvotoenda kumberi. I think tasvika kwamvura yachakakumbu pachirongwa chedu today apa tanga tina Sandie, our guest for today. I hope you enjoyed the podcast, guys. Kana paine zvinhu zvamuda kuti tiite or to improve on this podcast, makasununguka kutaura comment section kuti aiwa sekuru kudo dai magasa pakati sekuru kudo dai madai. Yes, kuna ava vanda kusponsor podcast yedu muri kungozvionawo kuti pane 1 2 3 things zvida kuiswa. Tatopedza podcast nesambomirira. But anyway, I think we'll fix it next time. And I hope you enjoyed the podcast, guys. Sandie, can you say bye? My fans are cool.
Bye, guys.
Thank you. Such a smile, guys. I know the money one if you. Anyway, my name is SGP, guys. Until we meet again, don't forget to subscribe, follow, share, and ring the notification bell kana kuri YouTube kuti zvityise maworks edu aende kumberi. Until we meet again, my name is SGP. Sare zvakanaka.